If you're looking for a reliable way to drain moisture from your air tank or compressor, the Powermate Vx 0720023RP Extended Tank Drain Assembly is worth a closer look. This 10-inch braided steel tube is engineered for flexibility, designed to resist breaking and kinks even under tough conditions. What sets this drain assembly apart is its thoughtful design. The braided steel tube offers strength without sacrificing flexibility, so you won't have to worry about damaging it during installation or regular use. That means fewer replacements and less hassle over time. The extended tank drain makes it easier to remove moisture from your tank, helping maintain optimal performance and prolonging the life of your equipment. Plus, the male threads come with a pre-applied thread sealant, so you can install it straight out of the box without extra tools or materials. Another practical feature is the shut-off valve with threads. This lets you easily add an additional drain hose or elbow if your setup calls for it, giving you more control and customization options. It's a small detail that makes a big difference in convenience. Rated for a maximum pressure of 300 psi, this assembly handles high-pressure environments confidently. Whether it's on your truck's air tank or a compressor tucked away in a tight space, it delivers consistent, dependable performance. Customers in the U.S. have praised its durability. One user shared how their unit has lasted over 8 years on a truck's air tank, standing up to weather and wear without issues. They even bought a second one for their garage compressor because it fits perfectly in a cramped area and is easy to manage. What you get with the Powermate Vx 0720023RP is a blend of strength, flexibility, and smart features that simplify maintenance. It's designed to keep your air system running smoothly with less downtime and fewer worries about leaks or breaks. If that's you, someone who values long-lasting, practical equipment for air tanks or compressors, this extended tank drain assembly is worth considering. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your setup with a product that works as hard as you do.